Life feels heavy when you keep asking what the world will give you. You wait for appreciation, attention, and approval, hoping someone will finally notice your efforts. And when that moment never comes, your heart slowly begins to feel empty, tired, and unseen. You start questioning your worth. You wonder why your kindness is ignored, why your struggles are unnoticed, and why giving so much still feels so lonely. Then one quiet day, a simple thought enters your mind. What if life was never meant to reward me? What if it was meant to shape me? What if life was never about receiving? What if it was always about giving? That question changes everything. You stop asking what people owe you, and you start asking what you can offer. You offer a smile, even on days you feel broken. You offer a kind word, even when silence would be easier. You offer a helping hand, even when your own hands feel tired. The world doesn't change overnight. People remain the same. Circumstances stay difficult. But you change. Your heart feels lighter because it is no longer carrying expectations. Your purpose becomes clearer because you are no longer chasing validation. You realize something powerful. Life doesn't become meaningful when the world serves you. Life becomes meaningful when you serve the world. And even if the world gives you nothing in return, you gain something far greater than applause or praise. You gain peace, and peace is priceless.